Have you ever heard of the Chinese bamboo tree? It's the ultimate symbol of patience and growth. For 5 years, the bamboo seed doesn't break through the ground. No growth, no signs of progress, just silence. Imagine working hard every day while others laugh at your failure. Would you keep going? The bamboo farmer does, because he knows the truth. In the 6th year, something amazing happens. The bamboo grows 80 feet tall in just 6 weeks. Did it grow overnight? No. It spent 5 years building strong roots underground. Your dreams are just like the bamboo. You may not see results yet, but every small action is growing your roots. Success takes time. Don't quit before your breakthrough. Keep watering your dreams. Keep believing. The tallest trees take the longest to grow. If this inspired you, share it with someone who needs to hear this today.